Hello everyone, today we will be working with CSV files and applying NumPy functions to it. I would like to show the CSV file first, and this is what it looks like. Today we will be working with only the H column right here. And let's get back to the code. At first we have to import pandas and NumPy, and then we have to import the CSV file and place it in an appropriate data set. Let's run this. All right. And right here, secondly, we would like to fetch the H column as an array and print it. And in order to do that, we use the array function. Let's run it. And there we go. It prints the H column as an array. And then we would like to calculate the average, find the standard deviation, and find maximum and minimum age in the array. In order to find the average, we use the dot mean function. For the standard deviation, we use the std. For the maximum, we use the max, and for the minimum, we use the min functions. And let's run this, and there we go. We get an output. And then we would like to find the 30th percentile, median, and the 70th percentile of the H column. And to find the percentile, we use the dot percentile function, and for the median, we use dot median to find the median of the H column. And once we run it, prints out. And then we would like to draw a histogram chart for the H column, but in order to do that, we first have to import matplotlib, and we have to import seaborn. And let's run this as well. And over here, in order to get the histogram chart, we would like to first set a title, label the X and label the Y. And once we run it, gives us the age distribution in the column. And this is pretty much it. And what I've learned from this assignment is that I've learned how to work on CSV files and apply NumPy functions. I've learned how to use aggregation functions in NumPy, and it was a really fun assignment to do. And thank you everyone so much for listening.